Hello, super students, and welcome to our Arabic grammar quest. Today, we are going on a totally magical adventure. Our mission? To find the hero of the sentence.
And get this, every single hero we find today gets a super special top secret prize. Ooh! So, are you ready for the quest? I know I am. All right, let's begin.
Whoa, look at this. Something is happening. It's an action. See this word right here? It says lama'a, and that means shown. Can you try saying it with me? Let's go slow. La-ma-a. Perfect. One more time, a little faster. Lama'a. You guys are amazing.
Okay, so we've got our action, right? Shown. But wait a minute. Who or what is actually doing the shining? That's a good question. Who is the hero of our sentence? Come on, let's go find out.
It's the star. Of course it is. The star is the one shining so brightly. That makes the star our hero. And you know, in grammar, we have a special name for the hero. We call it the doer because, well, it's the one doing the action. Makes sense, right?
And now, drumroll please, it's time for the hero's special prize. Did you see that? That little sparkly loop that just landed right on top? That, my friends, is called a Damma, and we're gonna call it the hero's crown. It makes a little ooh sound, and it's like a secret signal that tells us, hey, this is the hero right here. Okay, this is our super secret rule. We have to say it together. Are you ready? Here we go. The doer gets a Damma. Awesome. So from now on, whenever you need to find the hero, all you have to do is look for the word that's wearing that shiny Damma crown.
All right, let's try another one. This is fun. So the action here is taharrak. That just means moved. So who's the hero doing all the moving? Can you guess? You got it. It's the train. Al-qitaru. And look, it's wearing its special hero's crown, that Damma right on top.
Okay, one more example. The action is sakata, and that means fell. So, who's our hero this time? It's the ball, al-kuratu. And do you see its crown, that little Damma? Of course you do. Remember our rule, the doer always gets a Damma.
Uh-oh, wait a second, we've got a problem. The action is taharak, moved. But look, we've got 3 different trains here, and only one of them is the real hero. I can't do this alone. I need your help, my awesome grammar stars.
Okay, look closely. Which one of these trains is the true doer? Is it the one with the green block, the yellow one, or the red one? Now don't forget our secret rule. You've got to look for the hero's crown. Go on, take a good look, and make your choice. Okay, have you got your answer? Are you ready? The correct one is the green one. Yes, you got it. Al-Qitaru is our hero because it's the only one wearing the Damma crown. That is fantastic work. And tell me, why is it the hero? Because the doer gets a Damma. Mission complete. You guys did it. Wow. Today, we learned a super important secret. So, what do? Step 1, find the hero. That's the one doing the action. And step 2, check to make sure it's wearing its special crown, the Damma. Easy peasy. And just like that, you are now official grammar stars. Seriously, you just learned one of the biggest secrets in all of Arabic grammar. I am so proud of you. Congratulations on your amazing work today. Wow, that was so much fun. If you want to go on more awesome grammar adventures with me, you can ask a grown-up to help you subscribe. I seriously can't wait to see you for our next mission. Bye for now, Grammar Stars.